everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are touching upon spring outfit ideas. I have put together some of my favorite outfits that I have been wearing, that I plan to wear as we enter further into springtime, so I hope you enjoy it. Lately, we've had quite a bit of rain here in Los Angeles, and a trench coat came in handy. I think we can all agree that the trench coat is an iconic garment with its timeless silhouette and practical design. I think trench coat exudes a classic yet contemporary appeal. Its water-resistant fabric and functional features such as a deep pocket and adjustable cuffs make it ideal for varying weather conditions. One of my favorite staple pieces in my wardrobe, whether it's for springtime or all year round, is a pair of white jeans. In springtime, it is a refreshing and chic choice that effortlessly captures the essence of the season's renewal. It is an easy piece in my wardrobe that invokes a sense of lightness and sophistication, creating looks that are both timeless and classic. Whether styled for a casual day out or a more formal occasion, white jeans add a touch of effortless elegance to any outfit, making them a versatile staple in my springtime wardrobe. One of my favorite colors for springtime is a deep sagey green. It is a nod to nature's revival. It symbolizes growth and freshness and renewal. Green also evokes a sense of vitality that perfectly complements the season's spirit of rejuvenation. Whether you opt for soft shades of mint or vibrant tones of emerald, incorporating green into your spring attire infuses outfits with an air of natural elegance. One of my favorite ways to elevate a basic outfit is to wear a top with stripes. In my opinion, this pattern effortlessly exudes a sense of casual sophistication. The crisp lines and playful interplay of colors evoke a vision of sunny days, but at the same time, it adds a touch of effortless chic to any outfit. The versatility of striped tops makes them a staple in my spring wardrobe. Another one of my go-tos in springtime is wearing lightweight trousers, which epitomizes comfort, style, and versatility. These airy bottoms offer the perfect balance of practicality and elegance. I think lightweight trousers crafted from breathable fabrics such as linen, cotton, provide a refreshing alternative to heavy winter layers, ensuring comfort without compromising on sophistication. In this instance, I went for a tailored cut, which effortlessly transitions from casual daytime outings to evening gatherings. On the other hand, flowy trousers with their relaxed silhouettes and fluid movements evoke a sense of carefree feeling, which is very much reminiscent of springtime. Paired with a simple tee or a breezy blouse, they exude effortless elegance and allow for ease of movement, making them ideal for embracing the season's outdoor activities. This is one of my go-to outfit formulas that always makes me feel put together. Dressing in a blazer, t-shirt, jeans, and loafers for spring is a great way to add a little bit of classic and timeless feel to your outfit. The structured silhouette of the blazer adds polish to the outfit, while the white t-shirt brings a relaxed vibe. Paired with a classic denim jean, the outfit strikes the perfect balance between timeless style and comfort. It's ideal for navigating the transitional weather of spring. And completing the look with sleek loafers not only elevates the outfit, but also ensures practicality for any springtime adventure, whether it's a leisurely stroll in the park or a casual outing with friends. And we come to the conclusion of my springtime outfit ideas. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for sticking around, for watching. If you have questions, any comments, as always, please leave them down below. And I will see you in my next video.